Did you know that your Windows 10 or 11 computer already has the program needed to type for you, and all you have to know is the two keys on your keyboard to push to get it started? The keys I'm referring to are the Windows key, which either looks like a little flag in the bottom left corner of the keyboard, or it might say the word start. And then the other key is H. Push those two together and let go, and the Windows dictation system begins. The dictation system is really quite simple. When you push Windows H, this little box appears on the bottom, and in its simplest sense, there's just a microphone on or off. And if you're currently in a text box, meaning if your mouse is pointed into a box that you can type into, you click the microphone and it begins listening. Go ahead and speak what you want it to type, and it'll type it for you. And then when you're all through, you can click the microphone to turn it off so it's no longer listening. And inside you also have a little cogwheel which accesses the settings for the program. And you have things like auto-punctuation if you want it to do that and trust it enough. Also, there are filters for bad words. And one thing real important is you can adjust which microphone the computer is listening to. So if you're on a laptop, chances are it has a webcam and you've got a built-in mic. So great, you can do the dictation. And desktop computers may or may not have a microphone built in. If you have a webcam added to your desktop, you'll have what you need right there. And then in my case, I have an add-on Yeti Blue mic that sounds pretty good. And so I just select that. So clicking on Select Default Microphone, choose the one that works best and applies to your configuration, and that should be all you need to do. There's also a little circle with a question mark in there, and what that is kind of like an instruction manual, so it'll tell you all kinds of things that you need to know that might help you better use the program. So for example, if we want to know how to do punctuation ourselves, we have to know how to say that to the dictation system so it understands what we're trying to do. So here I'll click on punctuation commands, we'll choose a language that makes sense to us, and then you can see here for these different symbols listed on the left, here's exactly what you would say in order for it to type that for you. So for example, % will just produce that one symbol that represents the % sign, and then $, etc. So as you become familiar with it, you'll learn how to best be able to type and have minimal keyboard interaction. I hope you found this video useful and it'll save you a lot of time from having to type things in the future. If you found it useful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips like this and a whole lot more. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day.